Do you know how to build muscle with protein? Many people think they do, but they don't. To build muscle with protein, you must know the numbers behind the science of bodybuilding. The first number you must know is the ratio between protein, fats, and carbohydrates. An excellent ratio is 40% protein, 40% fat, and 20% carbohydrates. While protein is the only macronutrient that can build muscle, the other nutrients play a role in how protein builds muscle. Protein needs fat to build muscle through your hormones. When there is no carbohydrates in your body converts protein to energy, and that prevents protein from building muscle. Only protein can build muscle. The second number you must know is the ratio of protein to body weight. An outstanding rule of thumb is 1 gram of protein to 1 pound of body weight. A man that weighs 200 pounds must eat at least 200 grams of protein to build muscle. Eat your weight in protein. The grams and percentage of protein lock you into numbers that determine what role protein plays in your diet. Calories are still king because calories are in everything you eat. Protein has around 4 calories for each gram of protein. It is the calories that build muscle and store fat. A calorie is a unit of energy. If you eat too much protein, you will get fat. If you eat 200 grams of protein, then you are eating 800 calories. Since there are 4 calories in each gram, which is 4 times 200 grams of protein at 800 calories. If your diet is 40% protein, 40% fat, and 20% carbohydrate, then you must eat 800 calories of fat also, since protein and fat have the same 40% ratio. Finally, you must eat 400 calories of carbohydrates, since carbohydrates are 20%, which is half of the protein and fat ratios. In the end, your diet is 800 calories of protein, 800 calories of fat, and 400 calories of carbohydrate, giving you 2,000 calories. So why not eat 100% protein, since it builds muscle? Too much protein is hard on the body. Protein places a lot of stress on the kidneys and the digestive system. The right combination of protein causes you to build muscle without storing body fat and damaging your body. Building muscle and burning body fat is not magic. It is science. You must know the numbers behind the science.